Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today, we have a delicious and classic recipe for you, potato pancakes. If you're a fan of crispy, golden brown goodness, you're in for a treat. Before we dive into the kitchen, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our mouth-watering recipes. Now, let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 4 large potatoes, peeled and grated. 1 medium onion, finely chopped. 2 eggs. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Salt and pepper to taste. Vegetable oil for frying. The key to perfect potato pancakes is getting rid of excess moisture. After grating the potatoes, use a kitchen towel or cheesecloth to squeeze out as much liquid as possible. In a large mixing bowl, combine the grated potatoes, finely chopped onion, eggs, flour, baking powder, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together until it forms a thick batter. Now, let's head over to the stove. Heat a generous amount of vegetable oil in a pan over medium-high heat. You want the oil hot enough to create that satisfying crispiness. Using a ladle or a large spoon, carefully drop portions of the batter into the hot oil, flattening them slightly with the back of the spoon. Cook each side until it's golden brown and crispy. Ah, that sizzle! It's music to my ears. Don't overcrowd the pan. Give each pancake some space to ensure they cook evenly. Once they're beautifully golden on both sides, transfer the potato pancakes onto a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. Look at these beauties. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Absolute perfection. Now, the best part, the taste test. The combination of the crispy edges and the tender inside is just heavenly. You can serve these with sour cream, applesauce, or even a dollop of Greek yogurt. And there you have it, our irresistible potato pancake recipe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your fellow foodies. Subscribe for more delicious recipes. And let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy cooking!